Hi guys, so today I want to share with you my Bible haul. A lot of you know that I love Bibles and I like to buy them in different versions. Sometimes I just like the color, I just love Bibles. And so today I thought that I would share my Bible collection with you guys just to kind of encourage you and, just to explain why I have each of these Bibles, and I'm going to share them in the order at which I purchased them. Okay, so the first on the list will be this Mom's Devotional Bible. I bought this Bible in 2017. It's in the New International Version, that's the NIV, and it's by Zondervan. Now, I love this Bible because of its devotionals. It has, I think, 365 devotionals, right? And so what I did to it is I put washi tape rather than putting like a Bible tab. I put washi tape at the first page of every book of the Bible. That's why it looks like this. And I used this Bible for about let me see. I used it for a long time. I used it up until I think 2020 or 2019. This was my primary Bible, the Mom's Devotional Bible, and I bought it on Amazon. It's good for beginner Bible readers, like especially because it's the New International Version. It has simple English. You can see my kids have done their stuff here. It's written in simple English, and I just love the devotionals, especially listening to the past. So it comes like that. That's all my highlighters and all of that. So if you're a beginner, you can definitely get this Bible, the Mom's Devotional Bible, on Amazon. The second Bible I got is the Rainbow Study Bible. Now, this Bible is a color-coded Bible. And you can see it's coded like this color is discipleship, outreach, purple for God, blue for salvation, green, love, commandments, family, faith, prophecy, evil, sin, and history. So every verse of the Bible is color-coded. And that is the only reason I purchased this Bible. It's also the NIV version. And I read it for, let me say, maybe a year, right? You can see my highlighters on it as well. The only thing I don't like about this Bible is that I couldn't journal inside it. I had to have a separate place to write. Like there's no space at all. But it's a nice Bible, especially because it's color coded. And so, for example, when you read this part here, you know that it's prophecy. Do you understand? It's prophecy. And that was the reason I bought it. I bought it simply because of the colors. And I bought one for my mom as well, because my mom also loves highlighting her Bibles. So I bought one for her. The next one I bought is this one. It's the Inspire Praise Bible by Tyndale. And the first thing that attracted me to this Bible is the color purple, which is one of my favorite colors. And this part of the Bible, I just love the fact that the colors are like that. And this is the New Living Translation. It's the NLT, Inspire Praise Bible. Now, this Bible, if you're a creative person, you like coloring and you like journaling, this Bible is for you, right? So it has the coloring part, which I never finished, right? But now it has this thing that I like. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like, it's not paper, it's not plastic. It looks like I don't know how to explain it. It looks like a parchment paper, right? And it has, I will praise you every day. It has Bible verses on it, and you can write on it. You can color on it. You can do whatever you want on it, but it has like lots of it in there, right? And then it also has the coloring parts where you can color And then it has margins where you can journal in this Bible. I really love this Bible. I used this Bible for a while, and it's still my favorite Bible, especially because it's compact. You can see I was able to journal in it, highlight in it. I love it because it's compact. The colors still speak to me all the time. And everything about this Bible is beautiful. So if you want a compact Bible, right? Look at that. Look at that. I love it. So if you want a compact Bible in easy to read translation, the New Living Translation, the Inspire Praise Bible is for you. I got it off of Amazon. I think I got it about $30. I'm going to be linking all these Bibles in the description box. But this is a beautiful Bible, the Inspire Praise Bible. The next one I got is the Inspire Faith Bible. Now, Tyndale sent me this Bible, and this Bible is amazing. First of all, it comes in my favorite color, pink. Between this one and the Inspire Praise, I don't know which one is my favorite. This one is my baby because it's my first colorful journaling Bible. And this one is another one. Now, between these two Bibles, I'm going to give each of my daughters one of this Bible, and maybe my son this one, because I know how men can be, right? But I love this Inspire Faith Bible because it inspires faith, just like the Inspire Praise. And one beautiful thing, look at this. I love it. Now, one beautiful thing now this one comes plain. I colored it in myself, right? But this is so therapeutic. This is so therapeutic. I will tell you the truth. It is so therapeutic. So this also comes in the New Living Translation Bible, the Inspire Praise Bible, Inspire Faith, I'm sorry. And, I love the fact that it has all the coloring part of it. So times when I just want to, ease stress and I don't just want to read, maybe I'm stressed out and all of that, I can come here, color those in, it's just calming for me, right? And it also has those parchment paper thingamabobs that I don't know what they are, but they're just so beautiful. Each book of the Bible, like the beginning of each book of the Bible, comes in this amazing intro and all of that. So this is also an amazing Bible. I love it as well. The Inspire Faith Bible. I love it so much. And one thing that is amazing about it is the fact that it comes with Filament. Filament is the Bible app for Tyndale, where you take your Filament app, you scan this little flowery thing here, and it just shows you every other thing. If I'm able to, I'll do a demo and put it somewhere on the screen where you can see it comes with the Filament app, and the Filament app explains in depth what this Bible is talking about. So I love this Bible too, the Inspire Faith Bible. It's also for creatives, coloring, and all of that jazz. A very amazing Bible. The next one, what's the next one I got? Okay, yeah. The next one I got is this one. It's the She Reads Truth Bible. And this one was a gift from my friend. I think she gave it to me in 2024, I guess. Yeah. And this is the CSB, the Christian Standard Bible. This is a super aesthetic Bible. I love it. So this is how the intro to the new chapters come. It comes with a verse for focus and then the introduction to the book of the Bible. Now, the reason I like this verse for focus is it helps you memorize the Bible. It just keeps it there, and then you memorize it just helps you memorize a verse at least. So if you have this Bible, you should have like 66 verses memorized, right? And I love the CSB as well because it's also easy to read, right? This Bible also has devotionals. It comes with devotionals as well. It's an amazing Bible, and I love the devotionals. The devotionals definitely, speak to me. Now, this is also a journaling Bible. All right. Now, it has margins where you can journal. Let me open somewhere that has margin. Look, it has these maps as well. Joel, I'm trying to open, yeah. So you can journal on these margins as well. You know, you can journal on it. You can do whatever you want. You can doodle on it. I love the Sherid's Truth Bible because it's aesthetic, you know, and I put this ones myself, the Bible tabs, I put them in there myself. And of course, this one's, you know, this, you can tell that I read this Bible a lot. This is one of my favorite Bibles. I love everything about the Bible. I love the translation as well. I love to compare it with the Bibles that I have. The next one, the next one I got is the Jesus Bible. Now, I've not really dug into this Bible yet. I've not really read it yet, but it's the Jesus Bible. And this Bible focuses on Jesus. Like, it wraps everything in the word and tells you how it points to Jesus. Do you understand? So, it comes in the NIV, the New International Version. And so every book of the Bible comes with like the title, the theme of the Bible. So this one is like, this is Numbers, Jesus, our gracious provision. And then it introduces the book of the Bible here. It tells you the year and all of those other stuff. And then it also gives you a verse to memorize. Now let's go to somewhere that's okay. Now look, it comes with all these side notes. Now this side notes ties this entire chapter up and tells you, for example, this one, Numbers chapter 2, verse 1 to 2, it tells you how it connects to Jesus. It sends you back to Jesus. And that is why I bought this Bible, because I really wanted to see how the Bible ties, and because I always hear that everything goes back to Jesus. Genesis connects to Jesus, but I've never really understood how it connects. This one helps you connect it back to Jesus. It tells you how it connects to Jesus. And of course, I put in these tabs myself, but the Jesus Bible is also an amazing Bible for in-depth study. You want to understand how everything connects and ties back to Jesus. This is the Bible for you. This is the Bible for you. So it comes with all of those side notes, and you can also journal. It also has the journal margins. I feel like I cannot buy any Bible that does not, that is not the journaling Bible. Now, the next one I got is this one. But before I show you this one, I'm going to show you this one. I also got this one. This is the 1 year chronological Bible expressions. This is also a journaling Bible. Okay. It has the margins on the side. What's that? Oh, that's my daughter's stuff. Come in, just knock before entering, things, whatever. Anyway, this is my chronological Bible, and that's my Bible. That's my bookmark. And this Bible is chronological. That means it has been arranged according to the events in the Bible. So, for example, Genesis and then Job comes after, or something like that, you know. So it starts from January. I just say January chapter 1. It starts from the 1st of January. Where is it? I'm trying to open it so I can show you guys. Let me open it. So, all right. So it starts January 1st, and it goes like up until December 31st. So January 1st, Genesis, and then it just gives you what to read for each day of the year, such that at the end of the year, you would have read the entire Bible, right? This is January 2, right here, you know, and this is May, right? This is May, and this is 2 Samuel. So you would have read the Bible chronologically, right? And you would have read the entire Bible in a year. Now, I wanted to read the Bible, complete the Bible this year. That was why I bought this Bible. However, I've not done that because I just thought about it. Why there's no race, right? I really do not need to like go through the entire Bible right now. So maybe I'm gonna pick it up and do it next year, right? But this is the 1 year chronological Bible. If you want to read the Bible in a year and you don't want to worry yourself about the reading plan, like what do I need to read? How do I need to read it? This is the Bible you need to get. It has done every single thing for you. Now the last but not the least will be the Dayspring and Tyndale Daily Devotion Bible for Moms. Now, this is also an NLT Bible. You should know by now that I love the NLT translation. This Bible came to me at a season of my life where I needed it the most. And Tyndale sent it to me. Again, Tyndale is an amazing organization. They sent this Bible to me. Now, this Bible comes with 365 daily devotionals for women. It also comes with this prayer starter or prayer. You can that can be the only prayer you pray in that day. Do you understand? So the devotional is there. The prayer starter is there. This one says, Father, every single time you show me the fruits of motherhood, it feeds my soul. Help me to appreciate and lift up every moment to you, even when the fruit hasn't yet appeared. Now, if you're a mom, trust me, you need this Bible. This Bible is comforting. This Bible gets it. Like it was written by moms. Another thing I love about this Bible is that it has focus, like character focus for women. It takes like a woman in the Bible and it has like a focus on her life. For example, this one is Noah's wife, and it has written the lesson, what we need to learn from Noah's wife and all of that. It focuses, this is a woman's Bible, right? I also love the fact that it has the journaling margins, right? I love that it has the journaling margins, and it's just all around an amazing Bible. It has this index here where you can find keywords and all of that. I love the 365 devotional. It's a soft Bible. I love the color it comes with. I love how soft it is. I just melt into this word every single time I open it. And I love this. Because of this gold part, I have not been able to put a Bible tab because I just love how it looks. I love the ease of it. Tyndale. It's the Dayspring Daily Devotional. This is currently my favorite Bible. This is currently the Bible that I'm reading now because it speaks to my season, my situation and everything. And every time I open up this Bible, there is always something God has to say to me, So it's an amazing Bible. I'm going to be linking it in the description box, so you can definitely go get yours. Anyway, guys, this is my Bible haul, and that is how I've been using all of this Bible. If you enjoy this video, you're going to enjoy our community, our Bible study membership. Join our Patreon page. I'm going to be linking it in the description box. There we have bi-weekly Bible studies. We have weekly check-in prayer. We pray together, we commune together, we do everything together. I also provide you with digital items that will supercharge your Bible study and your spiritual life. I coach one-on-one and will mentor you personally over there as well. So if it's something you would like, definitely join our community, our sisterhood right there on Patreon. I would love to I would love to have you guys there. All right. And the little fee is for the commitment. I had been running it free of charge for a while now, but the commitment, how we are when we don't pay for stuff. But when you pay for it, you're committed to it. And I'm committed to see you grow spiritually, physically, and otherwise. Anyway, guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. And of course, till I see you again, have a blessed day. And I pray that the Lord bless you, that the Lord will keep you, and he will cause his face to shine upon you. Have an amazing day. My name is Devotional.